Hey guys, check this out. I want to show you something. This is a social dot, the coolest alternative to a business card that I've seen. Here's mine in my shop booth at Camp Hill in Brisbane. Watch as I tap my phone to the dot. Up pops my social profiles and my contact details. Tap the download icon here and add me to your contacts, send me an email or call. You can check out all of my social media profiles, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, my YouTube channel. There's my Pinterest, TikTok accounts, my website's there in the middle, and then I have some of my most popular blog posts. So I've got my shop listed there also, the difference between paint types, what sander should I use, for example, if you have that question, how to choose a sander. All of this in the one social dot. Now, if you're keen to get your own social dot, there's a link in my bio, or DM me and I'll send you my affiliate link.